Hi everyone. Wow, that's a lot of rain. This is the second time this week that severe thunderstorms slammed parts of the Eastern Cape, with reports of heavy downpours that led to flash flooding, as well as considerable damage due to gusting winds and golf ball size hail in parts of the Eastern Cape on Monday. Reports of flooding also on the R40 between Bombela and Witsrivier, and close by at the Mpumalanga Kruger International Airport, they received 77 millimeters in a short span of time. We still have a warning against more severe thunderstorms possible on Wednesday, so let's look at your forecast. Starting with your synoptic analysis, we can see that we do have this cold front making its way to the Western Cape. We'll mainly push in cloudy and cooler conditions with light showers for the southwestern parts of South Africa, and due to a trough as well as high instabilities and enough moisture, isolated to scattered thunderstorms are expected on Wednesday over the central and eastern parts of South Africa. Those thunderstorms becoming scattered over parts of the Free State and yet again the northern and eastern parts of the Eastern Cape, and it's exactly there where the South African Weather Service is warning against the possibility of more severe thunderstorms, which could lead to hail damage and winds and disruptive rainfall on Wednesday. A cloudy day for large parts of the Western Cape as a weak cold front brings light showers for the southwestern parts of South Africa. A mainly westerly wind blowing, and it's much cooler with only 19 degrees the afternoon in Hermanus. Later light showers spreading over the Garden Route. It's also a much cooler afternoon with only 19 degrees in Plettenberg Bay, and then a gusting westerly wind expected later over Nelson Mandela Bay. Foggy at first in parts of the Eastern Cape, and then a northwesterly wind picking up over the interior, a northeasterly wind turning southwesterly and becoming fresh along the coast, and due to the heat as well as sufficient moisture, isolated to scattered thunderstorms could become severe over parts of the Eastern Cape. A northeasterly wind blowing fresh along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal. It's another hot and humid day with only isolated thunderstorms possible over the interior as well as the northern parts. A few foggy patches on Wednesday morning for parts of Mpumalanga, especially along the escarpment. A partly cloudy and warm to very warm afternoon with isolated thunderstorms expected. Partly cloudy to mainly sunny skies on Wednesday for parts of Limpopo, with a 30% chance of thunderstorms developing due to the heat and sufficient moisture. Isolated thunderstorms expected after a hot day in northwest and becoming scattered over the southwestern parts. And then in the Northern Cape, a few foggy patches the morning in parts of Springbok, later reaching a high of only 20 degrees. It's much cooler over the southwest, still hot and windy over the interior and the eastern parts, where we do have a risk of runaway fires and very isolated thunderstorms possible over the extreme east. After a partly cloudy and warm to very warm day, isolated to scattered thunderstorms are expected to move over the Free State. A few morning showers possible in Gauteng, otherwise partly cloudy with 27 degrees in Pretoria and only isolated thunderstorms possible over the north. And then a stormy Thursday for eastern South Africa, with yet again the possibility of severe thunderstorms moving over past the Free State, KwaZulu-Natal, and this includes Mpumalanga. Your Friday will be cool along the coast of South Africa, as well as mostly cloudy skies with isolated showers expected over the northern and eastern parts of the country. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.